When you think your life is falling apart, it's actually Allah rearranging it for something greater. But before every blessing, before every breakthrough, there are signs. Signs you must recognize, protect, and act upon. Today I'm going to reveal the 5 things you should never share with anyone, because keeping them hidden could be the difference between destroying your peace and protecting your destiny. Listen closely. This may be one of the most important reminders you hear today. Your personal goals and future plans should be among the most protected parts of your life. Not everyone around you wants to see you succeed, and not everyone understands the vision that Allah has placed in your heart. When you share your goals too early, you open the door for doubt, negativity, jealousy, and unnecessary interference. Sometimes people discourage you not because your dream is impossible, but because they cannot imagine achieving something similar. Keeping your plans private allows them to grow quietly. Goals need time, focus, and protection. Just like a seed needs to be hidden underground before it becomes a tree. When too many opinions enter your mind, your motivation weakens and your direction becomes confused. Silence keeps your energy aligned and your intentions pure. Sharing your goals prematurely can also attract envy. Even those who seem supportive may have hidden jealousy, or may unintentionally plant seeds of fear and hesitation in your heart. Protecting your plans helps protect your peace. Instead of talking, let your results speak. Work in silence, seek strength from Allah, and move with wisdom. The most successful people are those who build privately and reveal only when it's time. Your goals belong to you, not to the crowd. Keep them safe, keep them private, and allow Allah to guide you toward their completion without external noise or interference. Your private life and family matters should be guarded with the highest level of protection. In a world where people easily judge, misunderstand, or spread information without thinking, sharing personal details can create unnecessary problems. What happens in your home, your struggles, disagreements, financial issues, or emotional challenges is not meant for public discussion. The more people know, the more opinions, confusion, and negativity you invite into your life. Family relationships are delicate. Even a small misunderstanding, when shared with the wrong person, can grow into bigger conflict. Outsiders rarely know the full picture. They hear one side and assume the rest. This creates distance, resentment, and sometimes long-lasting damage between family members. Keeping your family matters private protects the dignity and respect of those you love. Islam teaches us to conceal faults, guard honor, and avoid exposing the weaknesses of others. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ emphasized the importance of protecting one another's privacy and dignity. Speaking unnecessarily about your family's life goes against this guidance. When you share private issues, you also allow people to interfere, influence decisions, or bring jealousy and evil eye into your home. Not everyone who listens has good intentions, even if they pretend to care. Protect your home by keeping it private. Solve issues within the family. Speak to Allah in dua and seek advice only from those who truly care and are trustworthy. Silence protects your peace, your relationships, and the honor of your household. Your good deeds and acts of charity should remain hidden between you and Allah. In Islam, the value of a deed is not measured by how big it appears to people, but by the sincerity behind it. When you share your good actions openly, even if your intention is pure, it becomes easy for pride, ego, or the desire for praise to slip into the heart. That small shift can diminish the reward of the deed, because Allah accepts actions done solely for His sake. When a person announces their charity or kindness, others may admire them. But Allah does not look at outward show. He looks at intention. Doing good quietly keeps your heart humble and your intention clean. The greatest deeds are often the ones done in silence, where no one knows except the one who sees everything. Hidden charity also protects you from jealousy, criticism, or misunderstanding. Some people may question your intentions, compare your actions, or even mock your efforts. Keeping your deeds private prevents these unnecessary distractions and preserves your peace. Islam encourages sadaqah because it is more beloved to Allah and more powerful spiritually. Silent generosity softens the heart, protects against arrogance, and earns immense reward. Let your good deeds remain a private conversation between you and Allah. The world does not need to see what your right hand gives. Allah already knows, and His reward is far better than any praise people can offer. Your weaknesses and personal struggles are among the most sensitive parts of your life, and sharing them carelessly can invite unnecessary harm, judgment, or misuse. Not everyone around you has a sincere heart, and not everyone will protect your vulnerabilities the way you expect. When you openly reveal your inner battles, people may form biased opinions, underestimate your strength, or even use your honesty against you during conflicts. This is why Islam teaches wisdom in speech and privacy in personal matters. Your weaknesses are not meant for public display. They are meant for private reflection, sincere dua, and personal growth. Only share them with people who are trustworthy, supportive, and spiritually mature. Those who genuinely want to see you heal, improve, and rise. Even then, speak only what is necessary, not everything. Some things are meant to stay between you and Allah, because He is the only one who can heal the heart without judgment. When you protect your struggles, you also protect your inner peace. You avoid gossip, misunderstanding, and emotional manipulation. You maintain dignity and self-respect. Your journey becomes stronger, cleaner, and more focused. Not everyone deserves to know your scars. Many people only appreciate your strengths when they do not see your weaknesses. Temptations like financial favorites, such as gardening wildly, financial favorites like financial favors. Your financial situation is one of the most personal areas of your life, and sharing it openly with others can create unnecessary problems, misunderstandings, and even hidden jealousy. Money is a sensitive topic. When people know exactly how much you earn, save, or invest, it can change the way they see you. Some may expect financial favors, some may compare themselves to you, and others may develop envy, even if they don't show it openly. Islam and common wisdom both teach that blessings should be kept private to protect them from the evil eye and unnecessary interference. When you reveal your income, spending habits, or savings to the wrong people, it becomes easier for others to judge your choices or criticize your lifestyle. They may question how you manage your money, pressure you into financial commitments, or gossip about your situation. Keeping these details private helps you maintain control over your financial goals and prevents others from influencing your decisions. Your financial stability is your personal journey, shaped by your hard work, sacrifices, and planning. Only share details with those who genuinely need to know, such as close family members or trusted advisors. Protecting your financial privacy isn't secrecy, it's wisdom. When you guard your earnings, you also guard your peace, your future, and the blessings that Allah has given you.